you mean by tomorrow? Good afternoon, Madam Tailor. Please, tell me my clothes is ready. You promised me yesterday. And I've given you bonus time.
Okay.
Oga.
Ode.
Relax now. Now just small finishing remain.
Continue.
Come back tomorrow. You go get them. Tomorrow? What do you mean by tomorrow? Oga. We are in Nigeria now.
Ode.
Is there anything that works in Nigeria the first time? Okay. Ṣẹ́gun.
Are you playing?
Oya lọ bá mi mú aṣọ ọ̀gá customer wá. Jẹ́ kí n parí láìní ẹ̀ báyìí. Now your work where I want to stay like that.
What type of playing is this?
Madam, let's sense what happens.
Okay.
If my clothes not ready by the end of tomorrow, you will refund my deposit double and also return my material in full. Put it in writing. Agreement ibi ti báwo. Lórí aṣọ ọ̀pá mẹ́fà.
Will you keep quiet?
We never reach that level.
Yes,
Madam, business is business.
Correct.
And we reach that level.
Dada.
If I doubt you, you prove yourself by signing to it. If I say I'm not signing,
Continue.
then we are about to have serious problems right now.
Yeah.
Resack you.
Don't even worry. I will finish it now and give you. Can you sit for like 20 minutes? Let me quickly finish it. Okay? I will wait then.
Correct.
Your 20 minutes starts now. Ṣẹ́gun, wẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí dà, aṣọ tí mo ní kó mú wá fún mi kọ̀. Wọ́n máa ní rógùn kóòtù àbí station lórí aṣọ. Don't mind me, I'm just talking like that so that you will be fast. Because my workers, they have different hours. Listen.